Verona is a city filled with the rays of the bright Italian sun and love. Located in northern Italy, near Lake Garda, in the bend of the Adige River. Thanks to William Shakespeare, Verona has become a symbol of eternal love. Verona is multifaceted. Antiquity, the Middle Ages and Modernity surprisingly harmonize here. The city itself is charming, and its comfort and beauty captivate the heart of the most sophisticated tourist. Be sure to come here to plunge into an incredibly romantic atmosphere, feel the breath of time, walk along the streets that remember Julius Caesar and Dante. This city will charm you from the first step. Guyang is an urban district in the southeast of China and the province of Guizhou, which is located in a mountainous region of the country, onto banks of the Namai River. Its main attractions are natural beauties, although many ancient architectural monuments have been preserved here. Hidden among rocks, waterfalls and hills, Guyang is a gem in Yunnan, the Guizhou Plateau in southwest China. Large areas of virgin forests, summer temperatures averaging around 22.5 C, abundant rainfall all year round, and clean air make southwest China as capital city of Guizhou a haven from the sweltering summer heat. Madero Street is a noisy, crowded pedestrian street located in the historic center of Mexico City. It is known for its vibrant atmosphere and many shops and restaurants along the street. This This pedestrian street, located in the historic part of the capital of Mexico, is an example of the Mexican Baroque palace type, where each building competes with its neighboring one in beauty and luxury. Madero Avenue is one of the first streets erected on the site of the ancient Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan. Broadway is one of the most unusual streets in the world. In a sense, its founders are the Algonquin Indians, who made their way through the dense forests of Manhattan from the south to the north of the island, which was transformed into the Broad Road. Broadway stretches for more than 30 miles, crossing almost all areas and 12 avenues of Manhattan. It will take more than one day to walk the street from beginning to end, but it is worth it. You will make the most fascinating excursion into history, into the world of fashion, luxury, bohemia, business people, and statesmen. Broadway appears in completely different guises, with each turn opening a new historical era. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.